big old sack of potatoes. Hello, I'm gonna do a grocery haul, and I usually don't buy this much stuff, so like it's kind of unrealistic, but like usually when I go shopping it's like a little bit at a time, but this time I bought like a huge haul, like I think probably like $90 worth of groceries, which is like way above budget. I usually want to aim for around 50, but anyways, I got carried away because I went to an Asian mart and the stuff there was priced pretty high, unfortunately. So I spent about 50 there. So let me show you. Got these rice noodles because they're supposed to be like pretty sure lower in calorie than like some other noodles. So these and green onion dumplings, so good. I actually never tried this brand, but like in general I do like green onions. So this is Gatorade. I was so sick last night. I needed to replenish. So in the middle of Aldi's parking lot, I was chugging this. These are siumai, but they're shrimp siumai. I don't know why it's pink at the top. Sometimes they're like white at the top. This is pink, shrimp. These are the fish tofus. They're so good. I'm definitely gonna make a huge, like, yummy boiled dish tomorrow or something. Beef balls, my fave. So here's the other half of my Asian mart haul. Crackers, they're so yummy. Xiafan Cai. There's like, oh my god, bro. After I bought it, it says eating these can expose you to chemicals that are cancerous. I'm like, I'm still gonna eat it though. Just this, but I won't buy it again. But yeah, it's just like, I think like cabbage or some other vegetables that are kind of pickled with like spicy sauces, and you can eat it with rice, and it's pretty good. I got some loose leaf green tea because I'm trying to drink more loose leaf teas because, again, microplastics in the plastic tea bags are so bad. Roasted sesame dressing, it's so good with salads. And also noodles as well. Okay, so this is probably has cancerous ingredients too, but I thought it'd be a simple way to make hot and sour soup. You just add an egg and boiled water, and I don't know, I'll try it. Lastly, rice vinegar because I want to like cook more Asian dishes, so let's see the total. $58. I don't remember that much, but I only go to this mart once a semester as a treat, and it always costs like way more than I want to pay, but it's because they don't have this stuff at like most grocery stores. Okay, so I'm gonna reorganize them pretty and show you like the whole haul of the China haul. Okay, so as you can see, this is definitely not worth $58, but it's because we're in Athens, so maybe that's why. I think the most expensive thing was this, $6.99. I didn't know how much it costed. It didn't label it, and when she like rang it up, I was like, bro, ain't no way. If I went to China, it would be like so much cheaper, but I might be going to China soon, guys. Okay, so next is the Aldi haul. I got a lot more stuff for $20 less, guys, so that's great. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy because I got a lot of like jugs of liquid. My arms are shaking. Oh, when I was walking back to my dorm, my back hurts because I was like angled like this holding my stuff. So heavy, I had to stop so many times, and it was so frustrating. Anyways, I'm trying to steer away from salads because number one, they're kind of overpriced. Number two, apparently you're like bloated and it's not good for your digestive system to eat cold like foods all the time. So I'm going to use these and boil them and add like soy sauce and some other ingredients to make them pretty good. Snack, yummy, yummy snack. These, I just put them in my backpack and I eat them when I'm hungry. So it's convenient because I'm always on the go during the week. Honestly, I'm still on the go on weekends, but you know, I try to say I'm giving myself a break. Some chicken because I'm planning to make curry dish tonight or tomorrow, I don't know. sliced cheese, like good snack with tea and stuff. Green beans, because again, I like to do different vegetables. I'm annoyed because I could not find carrots for the life of me at Aldi, so I did not buy carrots, so my curry is going to be a carrotless curry. I'm gonna make just this with chicken broth and the romaine heart lettuce as like a little soup tonight, just to like gentle on my stomach because I threw up so much last night. And then these like seasoning. Avocado oil because I'm almost out of the oil I was using. I heard this is good for your stomach, so I'm going to start drinking it. It's cheaper at Aldi than at other stores. Big old sack of potatoes. This is what was weighing it down along with some other stuff. Made it so heavy. And lastly, chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and simmer this up right now so I can have some soup for dinner. And yes. So I'm going to make this look pretty and show you everything. So here's everything from Aldi. It was like $47. Total about $90 for all these. Actually more than that. Not even worth it. It's not that much food, but I guess the economy sucks, so. Dinner tonight, I made a soup, the chicken stock, the pasta, the romaine lettuce, and onion, 2 onions, and then I put some badilla seasoning and a little bit of that garlic paste. I did like a circle, so hopefully that tastes good. And then here, I have a sweet potato reheating, and that'll be my dinner. I want to put you on to this one thing that I really love. It tastes like dessert. It helps make sweet potatoes much better. Only if you're a cinnamon lover though. But I mean, I guess the cinnamon's optional. So first what you're gonna do is grab some butter and yeah, get a generous heaping of it. Now, of course, this would only work to melt the butter if it's hot, so make sure you warm your potato up before you do this. Once the butter's melted in, add a generous amount of cinnamon to your liking. I love cinnamon, so that's why I love this dish. I think it makes it taste like pie or something without the crust, but it's like the pie filling. And it's still healthy because you're eating a sweet potato. Obviously, butter is probably not healthy, but you know what? I'm not a super healthy nut, so whatever. Sorry, this doesn't look appealing. It's my dinner, though. Okay, soup taste test. So you see? It smells really good. So I'm gonna try what I think would taste the worst, like the vegetable first, and then I'm gonna try the noodle. I think it would be better if I put potatoes in here too, as well as maybe, I don't remember what I was gonna say. It's not as flavorful as I want it to be, but that's okay. Oh yeah, I wish I cut the lettuce smaller, because I did have to like eat it in a weird way. But it's healthy and it's affordable, so it's okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm definitely gonna upload the Japan vlog next. I still haven't voiceovered it yet, but it's coming.